Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. This is Throwback Thursday and I am so excited to share with you my December daily from 2019. I was very more prolific with my journal making in 2019 than I was in 2020. So I kind of am jumping back and looking through to get inspiration on some of my creations. And this one is going to be the inspiration for some of the work I do this year for December. So this is a bell with charms, chain dangle here, not chain but dangle, and this is a vintage Christmas card. This was on the spine of the original book before I altered the spine to make it larger. And this is Carols for Christmas. So it was a Christmas music book. Just so beautiful. And I had really enjoyed the idea of having the eclectic colors. So I have the reds, the blues, the greens, the pinks, everything is in here. So I want to say thank you so much for joining in and having a quick look through this. There will be a more detailed look each time I work in my December daily this year, but why not get inspired today, right? Why wait till December to get inspired? That's not the way it works. So there's just little pockets and text spots here. Everything that can has a text spot behind it. And I added a lot of my Christmas ephemera. Um, Ephemera as in correspondence for 2019. So I want to make sure that I cover up any addresses that I might need to. Here is a little manila type folder. This was an ornament that was created in a swap and I used it as a tuck spot. This paper is gorgeous. I have lace on the edge. Let's see. Okay, so we have December 1st. We have Christmas cards, notes, happy mail, pockets, tucks, thinking of you at Christmas. I did these little extras, the tip-ins. Do you see that? Not tip-ins. It's a added page from when we did the boho journal. This is the kind of thing. Everything's just a little bit. Been sitting for 2 years. That's what happens when you use certain glues and things, but it all works out. Isn't that beautiful? Be thankful for what you are now and keep fighting for what you want tomorrow. I love that. So my December daily that year was definitely a correspondence journal, and so it has everything in here. Here is Chris Cooligan sent me we did an ATC swap, and that is 11/17 2019. Isn't that adorable? Looks like there was two of them. Oh, I just the idea that I have someone's creations from so long ago. She's grown so much. There's a note. Here's a note. This is December 2nd. And that's the one I was wanting to cover up the address. December 3rd. I like to keep envelopes and I use them as pockets. Look at that. And then this one was really cute. She handmade this Christmas card and she used a cactus, she used inks, and made it really fun and exciting. Let's see, this is a tuck spot here. Tags, Christmas card, envelope middle that I used for a belly band, right? Yeah. Oh, it's a two slaughter. So it would go here and here. Yeah, everything's a little sticky, but that's what happens when it sits this long. These are adorable. They weren't signed, but look at those. December 5th, I was gifted tags, notes. I like to do this with some of my notes. I staple them in so that they can be pulled down. Turquoise Dreaming. This is from Sherry Brown, 2019. Isn't that awesome? That's how long we've all known each other. A little bit here and there, off and on. You know, not necessarily all best friends, but we've been co-workers for a long time. It's not the gift, but the thought that counts. December 7th, I have this Christmas card, a tuck spot. Remember this, tags, tags, tuck spot. This was one of my favorite paper packs. That's the other thing, is if you don't use your paper packs in a way that you can enjoy them, there is mail envelopes, decorated envelopes, another tuck spot here, which is the back of an envelope here, folded over, altered paper clip, a letter. I have a pen pal that we used to be very prolific, and so she would write me the most wonderful decorative letters. Okay, come on. My goodness, there we go. Do your best. I try. December 8th. Do you see, this all inspires me so much, ladies. I hope it's inspiring you too. December 9th. Jim and I came home from a 5-day staycation. We stayed at the Shiloh Inn, meaning staycation, meaning we didn't leave town, but we did go stay at a hotel, and we got pampered a bit. This was in 2019, before all this stuff happened. So I made my tag at the top match. Do you see that? That is kind of a fun idea that I hadn't thought of since. This is Edith Holden, mistletoe, a street lamp. This is the other side of the card, and then it has a tuck spot. Holly Jolly Christmas, tags. This is from oh, it says, I organized my work area live in NJJM. I added to my December daily. I am thankful for my tribe. Oh, and that was December 10th. Oh, this is just really making me emotional. I miss my tribe. Okay, another Christmas card, another altered paper clip, tuck spot. Let's make sure we don't show any addresses. And this is, there we go. So, oh, look, somebody made me an angel. It says Christmas in July 2018. Ooh, that's even from 2018. This is the 12th. I must have found some things and added. This is a ATC coin here. I love these things. And it is from Lanny. Oh, I miss her. I haven't seen anything of her in a long time. This is going to take me down memory lane big time. Big time. Oh, isn't that adorable? Just absolutely. So this is the 14th. This is my family here. I even added my family to it. This is a cute. This the pink there, I'm going to have to figure out, get inspired by that again for my next one. This one is from Christine. She was so sweet. Thanks for all you do. I love this group and seeing all the beautiful work. Alrighty, so this is Christmas ornaments that were created for me in a swap. Aren't they awesome? This is a journaling opportunity here, December 15th, 2019. I worked in this December daily for about 45 minutes on YouTube. I added beautiful goodies from friends and crafty cohorts. Linda Hale, Tanya Smith joined me and inspired me. Oh my goodness. The 16th, look at that. Is that not fabulous? Oh, the 18th, the 19th. Look at all of this. There's a card, an envelope, 21st. Oh, look at, I did the little cutout of Christmas cards. Oh my goodness. There is a little baggie that is a flip out, and this says, oh, I was gifted. It says, I didn't know who to send this rock and roll to, so I asked God to help me find the right person. The first name I saw was yours, so I trust God. You may need this blessing today. Isn't that just the sweetest thing? People are just so wonderful. Oh, I tell you. I don't know if it goes. I'm just going to do it like that because I'm not sure. 23rd, we have a tag. And, oh, dear Melody, wishing you a happy and healthy new crafting year. Love, Chris. Oh, 2019. Ooh, The Legend of Candyland. Legend of the Candy Cane. Sorry. And then another journaling opportunity. Doesn't look like I've actually used it. Another ornament that was gifted to me. Look at this card. Oh my goodness. Some of the cards these ladies made were just amazing. And look at that. You can see here. Bondale, PA, December 20th, 2019. That is a gorgeous stamp. Look at the owl. Christine. Oh, it's just so... Oh, and then another, this is the December of the Edith Holden. So that was the 25th. Then I had a few extra pages. This is from Tabitha. Isn't that gorgeous? Some more envelopes. Misty Solomon. Another Edith Holden page. Then another page. The 25th. Did I have the 25th on several days? I think I did because of the idea of Christmas cards. Yeah. So then Family Traditions card back here. And this is all a belly band tuck spot. Right? Look at all that tuck spot. So all these things could be tucked behind there. So that is my December daily for 2019. It is a hardcover book that I altered with matte gel. That's how I got all that paper to stay on there so nicely. This is fabric. And then I doubled the string because it wasn't the traditional string, so I doubled it. And, oh my goodness, ladies, this is just so fun to go through this and see all of this yumminess. Thank you for watching. I hope this inspired you. It's definitely got me thinking Christmas. Bye-bye.